In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your phone number when you are calling someone. You can simply make your phone number a private number in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone dialer. You will have to press *67 and then enter any phone number. They won't be able to see your phone number or your name when you call them. It will always show private number is calling. The other option, which is basically for iPhone, is to head into your phone settings. On this page, scroll down onto the option of phone. Then select this option of Show My Caller ID. You will have to disable this option off. Your name and phone number won't appear whenever you call someone. That's how easy it is to hide your phone number. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.